My friend's an idiot. Don't mind him. Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today with the Club. Club, what do we got here?
We got the good old SSR 5000. It's going to be great. Just stay tuned. Just watch it. It's going to be great.
Club, you know where we're going to today?
IHOB, International Hospital.
We're not going to IHOB. Today we're going to go get Euros. You know what a Euro is?
Yeah, we're going to eat money.
We're not going to eat money. We're going to a place called Apola. They claim the most authentic Greek Euro you can get without buying an actual plane ticket. That is a tall order to fill. Let's just go and eat one. We'll see if we like it or not.
I want two. Let's go.
I'll race you to the white line. Are these things even allowed on the freeway? What is going on? So the place we're going to, I stumbled upon on Instagram. I don't know if it's any good or whatnot, but it seems like everybody that's gone takes a hell of a picture. That's kind of a thing these days. I think a lot of these restaurants stop focusing so much on the taste of their food, but the visual aspects of it. As long as it takes a good photo on Instagram, people will come. And it's true for the most part if you think about it. I also spent a little bit of time on their Yelp. It seems like this is more of a, I don't know, modern approach instead of like the traditional Greek spots. I think it's kind of set up like Chipotle. You get to pick your proteins, pick your vegetables, and you can have it in a bowl or a pita or whatever. Anyway, that's about it. These things are pretty cool. We actually partnered with the company. In fact, they have a whole line of bikes. They've got everything. They got dirt, road, electric scooters, you name it, man. Even some side-by-sides. Anyway, we partnered with them. They give us access to their whole fleet. So expect to see a bunch of different vehicles on this channel. Truthfully, I'm not really into these little bikes, but I know so many of you guys are. I also know how expensive the Groms and the Zs are. So the SSR is a great alternative for you guys that don't want to spend all that money. Are you a clown now?
I'm already. The cops, they'll come and tackle us for these balloons.
I don't want to get tackled over a balloon, do you? Are you still driving that Prius?
Still driving it, and it's actually, you know, getting faster and faster day by day.
You need to run that son of a bitch into a tree. I wonder how long that balloon's going to last. I give it 3 minutes. Up 3 seconds. Oh. Yes, sir.
Oh my God. How are you, dude?
I'm all right. What's up, man?
Like so many of your videos. It's finally great to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Clap. Oh, there he is. I almost didn't see you there.
How many times have you done that to me?
All right, I'm going to give you halfway across the intersection to beat me to the white line on the other side. All right? Okay, I cheated a little bit. That's your head start. I'm gonna get him. I didn't even stand a chance. Road closed, not for us. Oh, I guess it is closed for us. What do you got there? Is that a donut?
Yeah.
Can you have a donut? Sharing is caring. Dude didn't want to share any of his donuts. My friend's an idiot. Don't mind him. Oh man, H-Mart. If you guys are into some authentic Asian, that's your spot. For sure. Have you ever been to an H-Mart?
No.
What do you think of H-Mart?
I'll be back to eat some raw squid tomorrow.
Bye, bug. Look at the license plate. This person really appreciates a bug. Oh my god, it's a dude. I'm not judging. Oh my God, that guy just blew through that red light.
Bye, bud.
Bye, bug.
Hi, can I get your numbers? You're both beautiful. I love you. All right, fine. I'll just find your Instagram somehow. I'm super stalker. Bye. Love you.
Squirrel had better days. Tell you what, I'm not gonna get any speeding tickets riding around while he's riding that thing. I don't think I broke 60 miles an hour all day.
Buying it.
Tap to order.
She's buying it.
Are you gonna put that in your Euro?
Are those GoPro cameras?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
What do you think? Should I put this on my food or in your engine?
All right, let's go eat. Apola. Forget the name of this place. You see what it says?
Mom and Pop.
It says your home for authentic Greek Euros. Thanks, sir. What'd you think, man? Did you like your food?
I like the gopher meat. It was really good. And I'll definitely be back in 3 seconds.
We had a traditional Euro here that they call the Works. It's like pretty much a traditional Euro with French fries on it, which is kind of funny. Yeah, man, I liked it. I'd be back, maybe. I've always liked Euros. They're pretty good. I've never had one with French fries in it, and I'm okay with that. I like French fries. I put French fries on my burgers and stuff, too.
It's like a California gyro.
With that, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're aware of when I do upload a video. Be part of that notification squad. Make sure you go over to Kleb's channel. Check out what he's got to offer. Big shout out to all you Patreons. Man, you guys are the best. I appreciate each and every one of you. The support is overwhelming. Make sure you support the channel's sponsors, Chaparral Motorsports, law offices of Henry Haddad, and Voss Helmets. Make sure you check out my website at suburbandelinquent.com. Find out how to get one of these Suburban Delinquent key tags. Free. You can get them free on the website. Did you know that? Kind of free.
Keep it safe, and now I don't know what we gotta do. So I want my tortilla.